you an entrepreneur looking to launch your own Airbnb business? Our online course is the perfect tool to help you get started. Our course offers a step-by-step guide to launching your own Airbnb business, including how to find the right property, design and decorate it, and attract guests. With our course, you'll also learn how to create a brand and marketing strategy, as well as tips for managing your guests and handling any issues that may arise. Whether you're looking to launch a single property or a whole portfolio, our course provides the knowledge and tools you need to succeed. Enroll now and get hours upon hours of self-paced video training. Our digital learning platform is designed to take you from ground floor to learning the skills and techniques to scale an Airbnb business, even starting with just one property. You'll learn how to choose the right property, find property management companies, get 5-star reviews, online listing secrets, get preferred listings, short and long-term rental secrets, how to deal with taxes and fees, how to navigate licensing and permits, new Airbnb legal regulations, how to calculate cash flow, and Instagram, TikTok, and Facebook marketing. You'll also learn how to use discounts and dynamic pricing to encourage repeat guests and consistent bookings. Get started with our Airbnb Academy today for just the price of enrollment, plus a comfortable monthly subscription that helps you get started without breaking the bank. Your monthly subscription includes 24-hour access, self-paced video training to learn at your own pace, and fun and interactive exercises to sharpen your skills. Are you ready to learn how to launch your own Airbnb business? Join the Envision You Airbnb Academy today.